Shemai, this is a chord drill for the key of F major. Now we often use chord drills in school as a warm-up before our sessions, alright? But they are a great way of practicing your chords. And because the chord drills are in keys or key signatures, and all songs are in keys, very often the chords you'll find in the chord drills will match chords from songs. Now the play along will actually go through the practicing 3 times. It starts slowly and gets faster. Strum pattern, I'm suggesting down, down, up, up, down, up, but as always it is entirely up to you. If you want to practice different strums with it, no problem at all. Okay, so I'm going to go through the 4 chords now. Alright, so the first chord is an F. Okay, first finger, first fret on the E string, and then second finger or middle finger, second fret on the G string. There's our F. D minor, okay, you just tuck your third finger or your ring finger, second fret onto the C string. Alright, so going from F to D minor, nice and easy. Now then, B flat, okay? I know people struggle with this chord. Don't panic, it'll take a while, and this is where chord drills are great. You're not worrying about lyrics or singing, you can just concentrate on the chord. Let's look at this B flat then. How do we play it? We've got to play first fret on the A string and the E string, then second fret on the C string, and third fret onto the G string, okay? Now if we look at the chord chart, you'll see there's a line going between the top 2 strings. That means they want us to play both strings with one finger. So like that, I'm pressing down the A and the E string there, then I'm going to put my middle finger onto the C and my ring finger onto the G string. Now that actually isn't that easy to do. What I have found, and the way I've taught this and the students in school seems to have worked for them, is when you're playing it, you need to drop your wrist a little bit. Okay, normally I keep my thumb in the middle of the back of the neck, but for my B flat chord, I tend to bring it round the back of the neck just a little bit, and it means I can flatten out my fingers. So let's try playing a B flat chord. Alright, you've got to press your fingers down really nice and hard to get it to sound nice. Don't worry, your B flat chord's probably going to take a bit of practice, and that's what the chord drills are handy for. Next chord, nice and easy, it's a C chord. Okay, so that's just your ring finger on your A string, third fret. Right, I'll leave the play along take over. chord drill has helped. We often use these at the beginning of a session in ukulele club in school. They're a great way of warming up your fingers before you start playing. Go back over, practice and practice, okay? That's the way to make your chord changes really smooth. Also, don't forget, you can slow these videos down. Click on the settings, that little cog below, and then you can slow the video right down if you're finding the chord changes too fast for now. If you've enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please give us a like. Feel free to leave a comment below. As always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.